Hi guys, this is Richard from the Stable Center, and today I'll be covering ICP. Full disclosure, I do own ICP, but nothing I say in this video is financial advice. We are going to take a small break from covering stablecoin Supercycle and take a look at why I am still buying a cryptocurrency that is still down over 99% from its all-time high. In today's video, we are going to examine why buying ICP today could be like buying Ethereum in 2017. Now, if you take a look at your screen, this is Etherscan, and the chart shows the history of Ethereum's transactions per day. In 2017, before Ethereum's parabolic bull market, we can see that Ethereum was basically transacting around roughly 40 to 45,000 transactions per day on Ethereum. Now, if we take a look at the ICP dashboard, we can see that currently there are around 31,000 transactions per day on ICP. So that is one similarity between 2025 ICP and 2017 Ethereum. Another similar metric between 2025 ICP and 2017 Ethereum are their respective market caps at those times. ICP's current market cap is around $3 billion. Now, in 2017, we can also see that Ethereum's market cap was also trading around $3 billion as well. Let's not forget that Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, has publicly admitted that Ethereum's biggest competitor is ICP. Now, moving over to TradingView, we have ICP in 2025 on the left side of your screen and Ethereum in 2017 on the right side of your screen. Taking a trend-based Fib extension, we can see that ICP has completed a three-wave correction that bottomed at the one-to-one trend-based Fib extension. Now, Ethereum in 2017 completed a similar three-wave ABC correction. Let's just measure the Fibonacci target right now. The only difference between 2017 Ethereum on the right side of your screen and 2025 ICP on the left side of your screen is that ICP bottomed at the 1-to-1 Fibonacci ratio, whereas Ethereum bottomed at the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio. Regardless at what Fibonacci ratio ICP in 2025 or Ethereum in 2017 bottomed at, the point is that both charts have printed a three-wave ABC correction. Now, shifting gears over to the Elliott wave count, nothing has changed from the last update. As you can see in the text box, the trading idea is quite simple. ICP formed a 5-wave impulse off the 2023 bear market low for white wave A, which was followed by a 3-wave pullback in white wave B. To measure white wave C, we will use Fibonacci techniques. So as long as ICP continues to stay above $2.83, I am still expecting ICP to make new bull market highs to at least $30.99 to $41.32, which are the white trend-based Fib extensions. Now, if ICP blasts past those levels, the next targets are between the white 1.618 to white 1.786 trend-based Fib extensions located anywhere between $106.87 to $149.63. And if we get super lucky, perhaps we can hit the moon boy targets, which are located at the white 2.272 to 2.414 trend-based fib extensions located between $396.13 to $526.48. Now, both these Moonboy price targets are basically the equivalent of the $1,000 to $1,500 Moonboy Chainlink price targets in the last Chainlink video. And honestly, bro, just give me $30 and I am more than happy with ICP. Now, ICP needs to start moving so we can get that nice quick dopamine hit like we got with Ethereum and Chainlink last week. Now, zooming in, there's not really much to update. ICP continues to trade in three-wave corrections. And to be completely honest with you, there's no visible impulse that I can see. I'm drawing on screen just multiple three-wave corrections that ICP is trading in. I'm just looking for a five-wave impulse followed by a three-wave pullback, but ICP is just not giving that trading structure. So I can't really do much with three-wave corrections because, ideally, from an Elliott wave perspective, I want to see a five-wave impulse to the upside followed by a three-wave pullback. And I don't see that trade setup on the ICP chart at the moment. That being said, the reason why I am still purchasing ICP is because, once again, as stated in the last ICP video, ICP is literally the only cryptocurrency with a decent trade setup that is still trading inside a macro support area. Price is still trading inside our blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $4.34 to $6.08. So long as ICP remains trading in this range, I am still viewing ICP as a deep value cryptocurrency buy, and I will continue to purchase more and more ICP every week. Like I said, this video is not financial advice. I am only showcasing what I am personally doing. Now, a lot of people seem to overcomplicate trading and investing. Everything that I've said over the past few minutes can basically be summarized in one simple sentence. I am buying ICP because ICP is trading in a support area. Now, let's quickly move over to the Coinbase chart. So if you recall from the last Chainlink video, I talked about how the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement caught the 2023 Chainlink bottom. We can apply the same 1.618 Fibonacci ratio to the ICP chart. So let's take the initial impulse off the 2021 bull market top and take the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement. So we can see that the 1.618 to 1.786 Fibonacci levels so far have caught the bear market bottom. We can also take a white trend-based fib extension and we can see that ICP has not only found support at the 1.618 to 1.786 Fibonacci retracements, but it has also found support at the white one-to-one trend-based fib extension. So that is definitely good confluence that suggests that the bear market bottom could possibly be in for ICP. Now, is this a guarantee that ICP has cemented a bear market low? No, because ICP is only $3 above its bear market low, to be honest. If Bitcoin sneezes and drops 10 to 30%, ICP is almost guaranteed to make a new bear market low. This is why ICP remains a low confidence but high risk and high reward trade setup. And like I said in previous ICP videos, ICP is one of the only cryptocurrencies left that is trading in a major support area. So let's close this video off by taking a look at the dreadful ICP Dominance chart. My good God. It's crazy that ICP Dominance was over 15% back in 2021, and now it's at 0.08%. That is absolutely wild and crazy. ICP at this point is basically priced in for failure. And at this point, that's why buying ICP is so attractive to me at this point in the market cycle. I know it sounds crazy, but we are in the later stages of a bull market. We are not at the beginning of a bull market. At the end of a bull market, that is when typically this is when high risk assets like penny stocks and altcoins begin to pump. You don't want to be buying high risk assets in times of euphoria. You want to be buying high risk assets like ICP in times of depression. But truth be told, there's nothing visibly bullish on the ICP dominance chart. All I can see is that ICP dominance is trading in a potential bullish descending channel, which is honestly a stretch at best, to be honest with you. We as ICP holders at this point just have to pray for the best. All right, that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.